Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing space and taking measurements. This avoids wasted purchases and reveals usable zones. Once cleared, sort items quickly into keep, donate, and discard piles so you know volume to store. Make sure to record width, depth, and height plus door swing and obstructions. These numbers guide vertical and horizontal planning. Gather bins, slim hangers, shelf risers, and labels now so you can prototype solutions immediately without pausing later. Once you have measurements and items sorted, map the closet into functional zones: daily wear at eye level, seasonal on high shelves, accessories in bins. Install double rods where hanging space is sparse to double capacity. Add shelf risers to turn one shelf into two usable surfaces. Use slim, uniform hangers to save several inches per row, and clear bins with labels to keep visibility high. Make sure to stagger heights so long garments hang without crowding. Rehang and replace items by zone, putting the most used pieces at eye level and within easy reach. Once done, commit to a 10-minute weekly reset and seasonal purge to prevent drift back into clutter. If you find overflow or shifting, reevaluate containers and purge at least 10% of low-use items. Alternatively, add an adjustable shelf or hanging organizer to reclaim vertical space. If something still won't fit, rotate seasonally and store extras.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.